All right, so we're bringing it in here, and then we're gonna open it up, and then hopefully we can move it into the other bedroom after 24 hours of whatever it does. It's supposed to unfold, or it's supposed to like off gas, or I don't know, something like that. So anyway, there we go. Casper. Bed in a box. You get a lot of stuff from Amazon. This thing is great for opening boxes. And so Lynette's going to open this one. She's doing the honors.
You're not going to say my name.
I'm not going to say your name, Lynette. All right, no, you got to do both sides. Keep going. Casper. Unboxing of the Casper. Come over on this side and do it. All right. Okay, so there we go. Let's see what's in here. All right, this is the bed. Wait a minute, hang on. We got something here. Open that up and see what it says. What does that say? Hello, hola, bonjour.
Bonjour.
All right. There's a little thing in there.
So assuming, how big is this going to be? That's what I didn't think of. It's how tall.
It's a king.
No, I mean, how deep is it?
We'll find out when we unfold it.
Register the mattress.
All right.
Warranty. Blah blah blah.
Here's the link. Check it out. So you got a QR code on here. So look, here's one QR code. Scan code with your phone camera. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it out here in this room,
Tear open.
and then we're
You
gonna.
can use your mattress after a few hours. However, we recommend 24 to 36.
Recommend it 24
That's
hours.
it. That's all you do.
All right, let's do it. So what I'm thinking we're gonna do is we're just gonna lay this down and pull it out, or maybe we'll turn it upside
Wait a
down.
minute.
It says right here in Spanish, Mattress, and then in over here it says it in Spanglish. Wait a minute, check it out. That says mattress. All right, so what I'm thinking is we flip it up, we flip it down, and then we flip it over. All right, so we just kind of lay it down like this. Here it goes. Boom. All right, now, well, look, we could do this too. Well, we're never going to use this box again. Want to know why? Yeah. Because she said once you do, oh, here, cut that. We'll just pull it open. Right? No, right there, right there, right there.
We'll have to come down.
You don't have to do that. That's going to pop. I just need it down here. That's what's holding it. Follow me?
It's not.
Yeah, it is. Watch.
That's why I said I would.
Watch. Just relax.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Yeah.
All right, you might have been right. Okay. Go ahead and try to cut that under there. Sometimes you're right. I can be wrong. My own beliefs are in my song. You love me. Oh, that's it. All right, there she is. Whew. I guess we could just leave this here.
Yeah.
Or should we just pull it out of here? Here, I got it. Watch. See that? It's called brute strength. All right.
Because it's bigger than this anyway, so we use the...
It's big.
Yeah.
It's big.
Pull that over a little bit.
So I want to tell you what's going to happen with this is it's folded in half.
Right,
so this is half its size.
Well,
so it's going to open up and it's going to be...
pull that blanket a little bit towards you.
So the question is, which side is it going to flop open to? So when we undo it.
We'll see when we do it.
And then we got to move it quickly.
We have to pull this blanket out, so help me get this out.
What are you trying to do?
We're going to pull this blanket out so it's wider. So pull that green blanket out more on that side.
I'm not going to be able to pull it out. You're
Pull
on
it
top
out.
of it. You're on top of it.
I'm barely on the edge.
I think the floor is fine. It's not going to hurt
No,
it.
it's dirt. It has hair, and I haven't vacuumed it. I sweep it. Hair.
Oh, yeah. All right, so now here's the thing. We got to get it.
You don't want to cut it.
We don't want to cut the mattress, so you're going to have to like kind of cut it that way. Nice and easy. There you go. Now you're doing it. That's it. Keep going. Getting there. Wow. Nice.
Is this only one end of this?
We're just going to keep on doing that. Back and forth. Ready? Watch your toe.
Now it'll come down this
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Here it goes. Come over here on this side. We'll switch spots. Okay, ready?
Wrong way.
Woo, here it goes. Woo. Okay, now we got it open. So we got to pull it this way because this is the other side of it. And it's pulling the rug, of course. Okay, now can you pull it towards you a little bit? Because we need a little more room on this side. Okay, there we go. All right, now we just got to flip this over. Grab it. Pop it over. Woo! Okay, now you want to see this thing fill up really fast? All you got to do is cut one edge over here and let it fill in. So find your little cutter right there. And you just got to get it so you don't get the mattress. Hang on, wait. Let me watch. Okay. Pop it open. There you go. You're done. Look at it. It's already filling.
I need scissors. Scissors are up there.
No, it's already filling. Look.
Scissors are up there.
Here.
Yeah, but I got to take this off, honey. It's easier with scissors.
Go ahead and cut it down. I'm holding it.
Honey, it didn't
Go all the way
cut
down.
off.
Just cut it.
Yeah. It's hard.
Go on top. On top where I'm holding it.
Yeah, I just want the scissors. It's quicker.
I don't know where they are.
They're in the basket. Pull out that basket right there on top.
Yes.
You can probably feel the scissors.
I could have had it cut by now. But she's got to, it's got to be her way or the highway. She's just like uncompromising, pain in the butt. But I love her anyway. Keep going, smarty pants. Try not to stick them in the thing. All right, do this side. Do this side.
Upside down.
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter which way it is. We're gonna flip it the right side up when we're done. I don't think about it. Now you're talking. Now you're cooking with grease. All right, excellent job. All right, so let's just let it fill up, I guess, for a little bit longer. Do you want to get on it and feel it?
No, not yet.
I'm just walking on it. It feels pretty soft. I don't know, man.
It only goes one way.
I don't know, man. It feels soft. Feels soft. I mean, we can flip it over if you want.
I would like to.
You want to flip it over?
Just because.
She wants to.
Hard to do.
No, we just pick it up on this side, lift it up, and just pop-a-dee-boop bop.
We'll
Let's do it.
plastic.
We're just going to pick it up.
And do what?
We're just going to flip it over. Just like this.
Yeah, that's going to pull the blanket down and
No,
everything.
no, just, gosh. You're always looking for reasons why things are not going to work out. Oh, now grab it like this. Look at me. Grab it, pull it forward, and just flip it around. Just let it drop. Yeah, Bob's your uncle. See that? So easy. I can't help, I'm a genius. All right, what do you think?
Let me turn the fan on again.